Introduce quick overview and highlight features of Thamtu G11 robot vacuum cleaner with new generation of dynamic navigation. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Navigation skills reign supreme. With the new generation of dynamic navigation by Thamtu, the robot vacuum cleaner excels at making its way through a cramped and cluttered home, boldly cleaning where other robots fear to tread. Smarter not harder. The perfect hands-off cleaning partner cleans effectively and hassle-free without constant babysitting with snags and jams, while always find its way back once finished or out of power. Voice prompt. Guide you with intelligent voice alerts instead of just beeps when problems occur for a better user experience. Make cleaning a breeze. Crumbs and pet hair will never get a chance to pile up with 3 cleaning modes, a superior suction of 2500 PA, and a 150 minutes ultra-long runtime, delivering a fantastic performance. Total control at fingertips. Thamtu Robot Vacuum allows you to direct it remotely, via app, and integrate it into your existing smart home system, like Alexa, Google Assistant. Making it easy to start a cleaning session whenever you want, wherever you are. Auto Boost technology. The suction power will be auto-increased once detecting carpets for a boost in cleaning power. Do not cross area. Customize your no-go zone by utilizing the magnetic strip included. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.